In this video, I'm about to show you how to give access to Facebook Ads Manager. First, open Google Chrome and type Facebook Ads Manager into the search bar. Now, click on the first link that appears to open Facebook's official Ads Manager page. Next, click on the download arrow located at the top right corner of the page. This will give you a menu with option to log in. Select Login with Facebook to proceed. Here, enter your email address and password associated with your Facebook account. Once you've entered the details, click Login to access your Facebook Ads Manager account. Once you're logged in, click on Start Now at the top right corner of the screen to set up your Ads Manager workspace. Now, click on your account address and select Create a Business Portfolio to start setting up your business profile. From here, you'll be prompted to enter a business portfolio name along with other details about your business, like business type and contact information. Fill in the required information accurately, as this will help in organizing and managing your ads effectively. After entering all necessary information, your business portfolio will be created and you can now start managing your ads or give access to team member if needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.